ChatGPT is one of the most trending topics right now, and people are blown on what it can do. With over 1 million users signed up in just 5 days, faster than Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Netflix. What is ChatGPT? What can it do? What are its limitations? These are the things that we are going to find out. ChatGPT was built by OpenAI. OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company. Its mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. Some of their products are DALL-E 2, ChatGPT, GPT-4, and Codex. Codex is the engine behind Github Copilot. This is where people put in prompts and get output from an AI-generated system. Another is DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is a new AI system that can take simple text description like a koala dunking basketball and turn them into a realistic photo image that never existed before. It can realistic edit and retouch photo based on simple natural language description. It can fill in or place part of an image with AI-generated imagery that blends seamless with the original. It's called in-painting. Through deep learning, it not only understands individual objects like koala bears and motorcycle, but learns from relationship between objects. And when you ask DALL-E for an image of a koala bear riding a motorcycle, it knows how to create that or anything else with a relationship to another object or action. ChatGPT therefore is an AI which allows you to have human-like conversation. It can answer questions, help you on your tasks such as creating emails or essay, and even helping fixing your code. And this is very much different from what we'd seen with Google and Stack Overflow. Let's check ChatGPT under the hood. Let's see how we can use it. Let's go to openai.com and we log in and we choose ChatGPT. All right, we are on the ChatGPT dashboard. So as you can see, it gives you example on how you want to use it and its capabilities and its limitations. So let's ask the first question. What is PHP language? So it replies to you what PHP is, and it even tells you some key features and characteristics of PHP. Now we have this simple shell backup script from ubuntu.com. Let's try to convert this into Python. So we ask ChatGPT, convert this bash script backup to Python. So you see, it even provides you the code in a format that you could just copy it. So it's that easy, and you see how powerful ChatGPT is by just prompting, saying you want to convert this bash into Python. It can convert within just seconds. So like, let's say, let's convert it to PHP instead. Let's see how it goes. Certainly, here's the equivalent PHP code for the given bash. So you got the backup files there. It goes to the array and destination. And of course, it echoes if it's starting to do the backup, and long listing of files in the destination to check the file size. So it even says which PHP code it uses. So it says we use implode function to concatenate the backup file path, spaces. For executing the tar command, we use the system function. So you see how powerful it is? There's too many things that you could do here that will really help you in your everyday task. ChatGPT has a lot of relevance as well outside from programming or in the technology world. Let's have another example. Let's say you have these recipes at home, and let's see if ChatGPT can figure out what recipe can it create based from your ingredients. What recipe can I make with these ingredients? And then you paste your recipe. There you go. So it's a Filipino dish called chicken adobo. And you see, it even gives you instructions on how you are going to cook the chicken adobo. This is just unbelievable. ChatGPT is a game changer. This will become part of our daily lives, similar to the other apps that we are using. It will revolutionize industries. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you think. Comment it down below. See you on our next episode. I'm out for now. Goodbye.